Hello everyone! Welcome to our fascinating exploration into the world of jellyfish. These captivating marine creatures, also known as sea jellies, are like floating poetry in the ocean. With their umbrella-shaped bells and trailing tentacles, they move with an ethereal grace that is simply mesmerizing. But don't be fooled by their delicate appearance. These gelatinous beings are survivors, with a complex life cycle that has ensured their existence for at least 500 million years. They inhabit every corner of the world, from the sunlit surface waters to the mysterious deep sea. Their bodies, made mostly of water, and their unique way of capturing prey with stinging cells are a testament to nature's creativity and adaptability. If you're as intrigued by these creatures as we are, we encourage you to subscribe and share this video with others who share your curiosity. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into the history of these beautiful creatures. Jellyfish have a storied past that stretches back millions of years. These captivating creatures, known as sea jellies, have been around for quite some time, leaving a trail of fascinating evolution in their wake. In fact, the oldest known jellyfish fossils date back at least 500 million years. Yes, you heard that right, 500 million years. That's a timeline that predates the dinosaurs, making jellyfish one of the oldest multicellular organisms on Earth. These ancient fossils give us a glimpse into the prehistoric world, providing clues about the jellyfish's journey through time. They reveal a creature not vastly different from the one we know today, with its bell-shaped body and trailing tentacles. But don't be fooled, though the jellyfish's basic form has remained relatively unchanged, they have evolved in myriad subtle ways to survive and thrive in the world's oceans. Over the course of hundreds of millions of years, jellyfish have fine-tuned their anatomy to become efficient swimmers, their gelatinous bodies allowing them to glide effortlessly through the water. They've also developed complex life cycles, transitioning from free-swimming medusa to stationary polyp, and then back again, a ballet of transformation and survival played out beneath the waves. Jellyfish have spread to every corner of the globe, inhabiting everything from sunlit surface waters to the darkest depths of the deep sea. They've adapted to an array of environments, showcasing their incredible resilience and versatility. In some places, they form massive swarms, creating underwater spectacles that are both beautiful and a little bit terrifying. In the grand scheme of life on Earth, the jellyfish is a testament to the power of evolution, a creature that has stood the test of geological time. Its history is written in the fossil record, a story of survival, adaptation, and resilience that continues to unfold to this day. With such a long history, it's no wonder jellyfish have developed some fascinating characteristics. As we delve deeper into their world, we'll discover just how unique these ancient survivors truly are. Now let's examine what makes a jellyfish. Well, a jellyfish. At first glance, jellyfish might seem simple, almost ethereal creatures, but don't let their delicate appearance fool you. They are unique and complex beings. The body of a jellyfish, for instance, is mostly made up of water. It's a fascinating composition that allows them to blend seamlessly into their aquatic environment. The most noticeable part of a jellyfish is its bell-shaped body. This bell acts as a propulsion mechanism, enabling the jellyfish to move elegantly through the water. By contracting and expanding their bodies, they create jets of water that propel them forward. But the function of this bell isn't limited to locomotion. It also houses the jellyfish's simple yet effective digestive system. Now you might be surprised to learn that a jellyfish's mouth doubles as an anus. Yes, you heard that right. This central opening is used for both eating and excreting waste, simplifying the digestive process. After a jellyfish captures its prey, it brings the food into this opening where digestion takes place. The leftovers are then expelled back out the same way. And then we have the jellyfish's tentacles, trailing like underwater lightning. These tentacles are not just for show. They are armed with specialized cells called cnidocytes, which release tiny harpoons loaded with venom. This is how a jellyfish captures its prey and defends itself against predators. Last but not least, let's talk about their reproductive organs. Jellyfish have a complex life cycle that alternates between asexual and sexual reproduction. During the medusa phase, which is the stage we're most familiar with, jellyfish reproduce sexually. However, in the polyp stage, they can reproduce asexually, creating clones of themselves. These unique characteristics set jellyfish apart from other marine creatures. Their anatomy, while seemingly simple, is a testament to the marvels of evolution, perfectly adapted to their jelly-like existence in the vast ocean depths. The life cycle of a jellyfish is as fascinating as its anatomy. Now, let's dive deeper into the captivating world of a jellyfish life cycle. The journey starts with the Medusa phase, a stage named after the mythological creature with snakes for hair, owing to the jellyfish's trailing tentacles. The Medusa is the adult free-swimming stage that most of us are familiar with. During this phase, the jellyfish are sexually mature and can reproduce. This reproduction takes place in an intriguing manner. The males release sperm into the water, which then enters the female and fertilizes her eggs. The fertilized eggs then transform into tiny ciliated larvae known as planulae. These planulae are the wanderers of the sea, drifting with the currents until they find a suitable hard surface to attach themselves to. Once they latch onto a surface, they transform into a polyp, entering the next stage of their life cycle. The polyp phase is a contrast to the free-swimming Medusa. Rather than exploring the open seas, the polyp remains anchored to the seafloor, resembling a miniature sea anemone. Despite their sedentary lifestyle, polyps are far from inactive. They have a crucial role in the jellyfish life cycle, as they asexually reproduce by a process called budding, forming a stack of tiny jellyfish ready to be released into the water. This tower of tiny medusae, each one smaller than a grain of rice, is known as a strobila. When conditions are just right, the strobila contracts, launching each tiny medusa into the open water. These tiny medusae then grow into the adult jellyfish we are familiar with, starting the cycle anew. This intricate life cycle is a testament to the adaptability of jellyfish. With their ability to reproduce both sexually and asexually, jellyfish can thrive in a variety of environments, from the calmest of seas to the most turbulent of waters. From the medusa to the planula to the polyp and back to the medusa, the jellyfish life cycle is an awe-inspiring tale of resilience and survival. Jellyfish and humans have a complex relationship. It's a dance of fascination and caution, of culinary delight and scientific intrigue, but also of potential danger and disruption. Jellyfish aren't just mesmerizing creatures of the deep, some are also on the menu in certain cultures. In places like Japan and China, jellyfish have been a part of the culinary tradition for centuries, appreciated for their unique texture and subtle taste. They're prepared carefully to neutralize their stinging cells and often served in salads or with noodles. And it's not just the dining table where jellyfish find a place. They're also significant contributors to scientific research. You've probably heard of the green fluorescent protein, or GFP. It's a protein that was first discovered in a species of jellyfish, and it glows bright green under ultraviolet light. This discovery won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 2008, and it has revolutionized the field of biology, allowing scientists to visualize processes inside living cells like never before. But let's not forget, jellyfish aren't just delicate dishes or scientific marvels. They're also creatures with a sting. Their tentacles are lined with cells called cnidocytes, each containing a tiny coiled harpoon-like stinger. When touched, these stingers shoot out and can cause painful and sometimes dangerous injuries to humans. And the challenges don't stop there. Jellyfish can form large swarms, known as blooms, that can interfere with human activities. These blooms can damage fishing nets, reducing the catch and resulting in significant economic losses. They can also clog the cooling systems of power plants and desalination facilities, causing shutdowns and disruptions. In short, our interaction with jellyfish is a mix of fascination and caution, of benefits and challenges. Jellyfish, while beautiful, can also pose challenges for humans. So, as we marvel at their ethereal beauty, let's also respect their power and adapt to their presence in our oceans. As we've discovered, jellyfish are truly fascinating creatures. These gelatinous beings have been part of our world for over 500 million years, showcasing their resilience and adaptability. With their umbrella-shaped bodies and trailing tentacles, they present an anatomy as intriguing as it is different. Their life cycle, A complex dance of transformation from planula larvae to the mature medusa form is a testament to the wonder of nature. Jellyfish are not just passive drifters in the ocean currents, they are active swimmers with a unique propulsion system, making them stand out in the marine world. On the human front, our relationship with these sea jellies is multifaceted. We've learned to appreciate their beauty, harness their potential in research, and even incorporate them into our cuisine. Yet, their stinging cells remind us to maintain a respectful distance. The world of jellyfish is a fascinating realm that continues to captivate and intrigue us. Their existence is a reminder of the incredible diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of jellyfish. We hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.